Before operating any power equipment, be sure you are wearing safety glasses, hearing protection, and appropriate safety shoes. Clear the area of any debris and mark all obstacles. Be sure to clear the area of any pets or people, especially children. When you're ready to start the engine, open the fuel valve, close the choke, and turn the ignition switch clockwise. Then pull the pull cord towards your body until the engine starts. When the engine has been started, it's important to open the choke and let the unit run for about a minute before operating. When you are ready to dethatch, push the transport lift handle to lower the blades. When the blade has been lowered, adjust your blade height with the infinite height control to about 1/8 inch above the soil. You are now ready to push the unit forward and begin dethatching. Be safe and enjoy operating the Ryan Ren-O-Thin Power Rake.